Hello my dear colleagues, today we will do a beautiful classic hairstyle. We start with the section, we separate a section from ear to ear through 0 to point or a little bit up, depends of the quantity of the hair thickness. Then we will separate another section through 2 points from ear to ear, and the rest of the nape zone we will collect it into a ponytail. We will separate the ponytail into parts and we will start to back combing to create our shape. If you want, you can use a synthetic sponge. After we fix this form, we have to put two bobby pins each side to have where we have to fix this back combing. So with my tail of the comb, I will give the shape that I want to create. It will be a big shape, a round shape. I have a lot of hair in this mannequin, so I will create a big shape. If you have less hair, you can create a small shape, or if you prefer, you can use a sponge. In your client, sometimes they don't want to use this kind of back combing, and you can use a sponge. So I will fix like this with hairpins, and I will fix it with hairspray on top, just on top. And then I will, for the second part of the ponytail, I will fix it with bobby pins like this and start the back combing just inside to cover our shape. So fix it just inside and then start open and fix this second part of the ponytail on top of our first part where we create the shape. Very important to put hairspray between the two layers to glue everything together. Put hairspray on top, and now step by step we will fix everything, and with the ends you can hide it below the updo, like this. You have the bobby pin wall that you put each side of the ponytail, so you can hide it there. And then we will start to back on the crown zone, and we will do 1 centimeter high of this back combing. So we start to take the first section and back combing to the root. You can put also powder if it's difficult for you to comb it. And then take the second part, the second section, unite it with the first and back comb the same length. So 1 centimeter in all. Then take the third strand, united with the first two, and back combing also. Don't forget to put hairspray, and so on until you have no hair to back comb. And after, I will put some wax on top and we will comb it. Very important to comb the hair after you put wax spray. And then I will put a needle each side and now start to comb it better to create a very finished look. I will have a smooth finished look in this hairstyle. I will not create hairspray. And with an elastic and 2 bobby pins, I will fix it in the base of the ponytail. And with the end of this part of the crown zone, I will use it to cover my updo. Don't forget to put hairspray between the 2 layers, and then we will comb it like this and cover everything up, creating a very smooth and finished look. So go step by step, fix it, comb it, blow it if you want more fast to dry this hairspray, and now go down, more down. I put some wax spray also and hairspray between the two layers. Go step by step and cover everything like this. Very beautiful. You can help to sustain this shape with hairpins, and the ends we will hide it also below the updo. And I will start to work the side zone, the small side zone, because I have the part in the left part, and comb it also in the same back combing that we used in the crown zone, so everything united, and then everything comb it and with wax spray to have a finish nice look and smooth. And then you will take all these strands to the middle part where we have the ends, where we have the ponytail, excuse me, and I will put a needle, and now I will comb everything together. I don't want to see you have here two sections separated, so the crown zone and the side zone. So here we have to comb it very well to unite these two zones, and then the ends I will fix it and incorporate it to our updo. We have the same direction like below, so when you comb it you have to give the same direction, don't go in opposite sides. So look the direction that you have on your updo and do it the same with this part. If it's very thin, you don't have to put hairspray between the layers, but if it's, because it will glue everything together. And the ends I will hide it also below the updo. And now I have my large and my very thick zone here. I will comb it also like the crown zone, and then I will give the direction to the middle of the nape zone, so where we have the ponytail, and start to comb it very well to create this kind of shape and to unite everything together. So I don't want to see here we have more sections, but because it's very thick, it's a little bit difficult. So if it's very thick, also you can separate it in two parts, the fringe zone and the side zone, and work it separately. In this case, I will not separate it. I will take everything back. You will pull out some texture in the fringe zone, just a little bit, to have some movement, but not very much. Comb it very well. It's a little bit more difficult to take everything, the fringe zone and the side zone, to the ponytail, but if it's difficult to you, you can always separate it and do it in two parts. And now comb it very well. You have to comb it very well to integrate this kind of zone. So the edge of the line we can pull out a little bit to cover our ear. This is a very beautiful and classic hairstyle. If you learn it, it will be a very success in your salon. And also the ends, we will fix it in the same direction like we have the below ones. Put some hairspray between to glue it very nice, and then cover your updo with these ends, very thin. And the end we will fix it with bobby pins below the updo. If you want to see more video like this, you can subscribe to my channel. If you like it, you can share it, like it, and if you have some comments, you can leave it below. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.